it's Megan. I do hope all of you are doing well. Today is going to be a very fun and exciting video. I think you guys will concur. Why? Because it is going to be a Louis Vuitton new release shocking unboxing giveaway for you. If you do enjoy luxury as much as I do, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button below. Also, by clicking that notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video. So let's jump right into what the giveaway prize is. I'm extremely excited to show you guys. As I said, it is a new release. It's a very hard to obtain item, and it does come in a box like this. You will receive this Louis Vuitton shopping tote as well as Louis Vuitton perfume samples. Not just a few, quite a few. And then we have the main prize right here. Based off of my past giveaways, some of you might have an inclination as to what's inside, but I don't think you know exactly what's inside, and I think you'll understand what I mean once you see it. As I open this, I will let you guys know I did wash my hands before making this video, so I will slide this open. So I'll go ahead and show you guys again the newly released, very hard to obtain, limited edition Louis Vuitton. It's peeking through. Mini Pochette Accessoires limited edition Christmas 2020 series. As a lot of you guys do know, this is a very hard to obtain item. I love the details of this particular one. It has a roller coaster full of Louis Vuitton trunks. How cute is that? Also, I am loving this fuchsia. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Pivot. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. I'll just say fuchsia tab right here. And as you guys can see, this particular piece was made in France, and what I really love is the fact that the interior matches that same color tab, which is that fuchsia. Absolutely gorgeous. The backing to this mini pochette is the classic monogram, which looks so pretty with that color right there. As a lot of you guys do know, the mini pochettes do feature this beautiful gold chain that allows you to wear it as a little bag, or you have the versatility to take this little clasp right here, unattach it, reattach it to the other side, and then you do have a little wristlet clutch, which is so pretty to be worn on the wrist. So this is a very gorgeous piece. I'm very excited to be able to give it as a giveaway prize. I'll let you guys now know the rules of entry. I do want to let you guys know that, like my past giveaways, this one is going to be extremely fair. I do go to great lengths to make sure each and every entry counts, because that is what you deserve. This is an international giveaway that starts today. The last day to get your entry in will be Thursday, December 31st. A few days after that, after I have time to accumulate all entries, I will be releasing a live giveaway announcement video. So here are the rules of entry. The first thing you want to do is be subscribed to my channel. Secondly, to go down to the comment section below, type the word enter, followed by something in your life that you are grateful for. And lastly, to follow me on Instagram. I do understand that some of you guys do not have Instagram. If you do not, just please note that within your comment below. There are two ways to get bonus entries. The first would be, if you happen to have an Instagram account, please go to my official giveaway announcement post, tag 2 people that you think might be interested in this giveaway, and you will be given those 2 bonus entries. Another way to get 2 more bonus entries would be to share this video on your Facebook. Once you share that on your Facebook page, if you could please screenshot that or just take a picture and send it to my email at fashionwithmegan@gmail.com. And again, this is going to be an extremely fair giveaway. Rest assured that all of your entries will be accounted for. Fate will take its course. I know I went over that rather quickly. I'll try to reiterate as quickly as I can. Again, this giveaway is international. What you want to do is be subscribed to my channel and then go to the comment section below, comment the word enter, followed by something in your life that you are grateful for. Follow me on Instagram. If you are not on Instagram, if you could just let me know within your comment below. And then to gain 2 bonus entries, go to my Instagram announcement post, tag 2 people that you think might be interested in this giveaway, and you will be given those 2 bonus entries. And lastly, to gain even more entries, to share this video on Facebook, take a screenshot, take a picture, send it to my email, fashionwithmegan@gmail.com, and yes, you will be given those 2 bonus entries. So So those are the rules of entry. If I did happen to go a little bit too quick, they are definitely located within the description box below. This little kitty cannot wait to go home to its rightful owner. I do want to say in closing, I usually end with spiritual inspiration. Because this video was focused on the giveaway, I will not be doing spiritual inspiration, but please rest assured my next video and all of the videos after that definitely will, but I will leave you with this. Please do keep the peace. Remember that your peace is yours. It cannot be stolen. It cannot be taken. It has to freely be given away. Also, remember to keep the faith. God is always in control. He is watching everything. Whenever you're facing a difficult or stressful situation, I encourage you to give the situation to God and let Him take over. I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and a big good luck for entering the giveaway. Until my next video, which I am very excited about, you guys take care, and I'll be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.